All right. Hi and hello, everyone. Thanks for joining our next session, our free online lesson. Okay, for today, we will go in depth into our topics, which is tips and tricks on how Inventor can do design automation. Okay, before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Shafiq Farhan. Okay, as a presenter for today, and I'm from Acad System Kuala Lumpur KL branch. Okay, basically Acad System we have two branch, one from KL and another one is from Penang. Okay, so this will be our website for Acad System. All right, if you plan to go to our website, okay, and you want to search about Acad System, what Acad System doing and so on, so you can go to any browser, go to this address bar, just type in acadsystems.com, so acadsystems.com, right? So this link will bring you to our main page. So this will be our main page. Okay, this will be the menu for our page. Okay, if you plan to go and to know well about Acad System, you can scroll a little bit. So Acad System is one of Autodesk Gold Partner in Malaysia. So, and also we as a premium authorized training center. Okay, we don't we sell a product, Autodesk product, and also we provide training for our client. Okay, if you require a training, for example, you require an AutoCAD training or Revit training, Inventor training, okay, you can request to our, just call in our office, right? So as a premium training center, we give training based on topics and syllabus that already follow Autodesk requirement. So this will be the benefit if you go with Autodesk authorized training center like Acadsystems. Okay. So if you want to learn about the latest news or latest promotion from Acadsystems and Autodesk, so this for today, Autodesk sales December 2020. So you will get 15% and 20%. The range for discount is about there. So you can get your AutoCAD LT, Revit LT. If you want to know more, just call to our contact on our top page over here, right? So for today's topic, basically, we want to cover on free online lesson tips and tricks, Inventor automation modeling, right? So before I start, I just want to welcoming and hi everyone that joined. Hi Nurin, hi Suksin. Okay, and also if you have your own name, so you just, if you, it's better you just put your own name on this participant. Okay, just for your info, for those that join from our Facebook live, okay, you can join also into our Zoom meeting. So how to join into our Zoom meeting? Just click on these topics that you are really interested. Okay, make sure that you register, and after you register, then you will get link to join to our Zoom meeting. And for the benefit of joining from your Zoom meeting, you can ask question, and also you can type in any question that you want to ask directly. We will answer it live. Right. So our next topics for December, we have a few more. So AutoCAD problem and solution. If you have any AutoCAD problem, you can join on December 17. So this will be the best time to ask either you can get your solution for AutoCAD that you have facing that issue. Okay, and we also are planning to give more topics in future. Right, so don't forget to go to acadsystems.com main page. Right, so then I go to my slide presentation for today. Sorry. So for today, we will focus on and trick design automation using Inventor. So I believe most of you that join or that want to learn is already familiar with Inventor. Or if you want to learn from basic also, this time is a good time because I will also start some modeling from scratch later. Okay, so this topic basically is a continuous topic from previous topics that I already done. Okay, from parametric modeling, and also the second one is a iLogic modeling. right? So for today's content, we will cover into a few basic things. The first one is drawing automation, right? So you already done your 3D modeling. How you want to generate your, how you want to automate your drawing directly to from modeling to drawing. So that will be the first topics that we will cover. The second thing is about how you want to change your size without touching each part. Okay, how to change parts. Okay, how to and this one is to create a new part, automation part, and combine in assembly. So this will be the content for today's tips and tricks. And also I also will show you is there any misconcept of creating modeling using Inventor, right? So this will be the best the Inventor automation explanation. So iLogic basically is a allows user or an administrator create logic from in a form. So means you don't need to key in one by one, just can drag and double click into a specific form that you want to generate. All right, so why okay, why the iLogic is benefit for you? Okay, later you will see in our demonstration. Okay, the first demonstration for today, which is to create drawing. Okay, I go to my Inventor software. So this will be my Inventor software, and this will be my 3D modeling part. So this will be assembly. Okay, so they have sub assembly and also parts inside here. Okay, a few parts. How to start generate your drawing from this model? Okay, for 2021, good news for those that using 2021 and the latest version. Okay, so what you can do, you just need to click on this new. Okay, just tick on this any of drawing file, the template here, right? So by default, when you click ISO, for example, I'm using iso.dwj. Okay, by default for 2020, you will have only use template. So maybe you can change your own sizes. So, but for 2021 version, you can click on here to automatic generate, to automatic put your part inside this drawing file. So I just use this sample and create it. So I just double click. So for this case, I just want to use this type file. So I need to change into your type file here. Okay, and hit OK. Right, so by default, you already create also your boom together. So later, if you plan to change the scale or anything, so you can change 1 to 10, for example. Okay, for example, I want to change 1 to 5 also, no issue. So just change into the size that you want and hit OK after that. So this will be the idea on how to automate your drawing. So previously you get used on how to start doing the iLogic or the automation design. So but now Inventor for 2021 already help you to generate it just by clicking new, click on ISO drawing and choose the template that already have the logic. Okay, this will be the template, the new template. Okay, but if you plan to use your own title block, okay, later you can use this type of template and then change the title block over here, save to into a new template. So that will be the idea on how to start with design automation. All right, so thanks for joining, Mr. Wei Yet. Okay, so after this, we will go again for drawing also. So how to do in certain, for example, you have want to create 4 view of your drawing. So you just need to click new, choose the template already inside here. Okay, choose the template here. But now I want to create 5 view. I just need to double click and choose whatever file that I did, because this one is currently open. But if you want to choose your file that not open now, just click on this browse button. Also, no problem. Click on this one or this one, either one. So for this case, I want to open this part and hit OK. Right? So you see that Inventor help you to generate all this view. So the normal method you will do, you will create new, and then you will place base. Okay, create a new base. Okay, that will consume you a little bit more time compared to this type of method by creating from new and use template that already there. So if you plan to edit, then you can directly edit. All right, so this one I try to make it 1 to 4. And then for this case, this one also I can edit, change into color. Right? So how fast that you can done your drawing. Okay, basically for iLogic or design automation, you can also do dimension automatically, but that one you need to get your own rules, which you can download, you can find into Autodesk forum. Okay, basically I already find a few logic or few rules that shared by Autodesk expert there. So you can use over here, and the step will be shown later. So this will be the first objective for today. Okay, the second one is about change size. Okay, this will be the rack system. Okay, how to change the size from one size to another size. Okay, so I go to my Inventor again. Okay, now I just click on this rack. Okay, if I have done with the logic here, so the rules you can create first. Okay, after you're done with this rule, you can click on this form and also create your rack, your form here. So for example, for these 2 example, the another 3 example will be already done, and the last one will be start from scratch. Okay, this will be the idea on how to create, how to change later. So for this case, okay, the number of height I change from 3 unitless, UL stand for unitless, to 4. Okay, and then hit enter, click apply. So now you can see that the sizes, the height also will be help you to update it. Okay, so for example, the length I want to change from, okay, this will be the length. So from 1.5, then I change to 2000, enter, apply. Okay, you will see that your file will be updated, but in certain cases, you will get some issue, but it's okay. Okay, after you're done with it, then the software will help you to automatic generate again. Okay, that will be the second things that the design automation can done. Okay, so for the next one, which is this will be my previous online lesson, free online lesson. Okay, if you really want to know how I create this iLogic, this form, this type of form, okay, you can go to our recorded session on our Facebook and also our YouTube, okay, our Facebook page and also our YouTube channel, and look for this topic, iLogic topic, for previous one. So for this case, I just want to change the size, the location. Basically, this one is a constraint. Then I change the distance between constraint, 1. Okay, so the type also from short and long, the grip type, and this hole can be changed. Right, so this will be the previous topic, then you can go to check it. Right, so now my objective is to show on how we create something like this. Right, so this will be the basic things we should start. Okay, how we start from round. You see that this will be the base. I change from round to square. Here will be updated, and also here will be updated. And the second thing is about this length from 450 to 350. And if I change into a certain value, for example 100, then we will pop up one message that cut will be suppressed if the length less than 100. Then if I click enter, then the cut will be suppressed. So how to start? Right, so to start it, we start with a new drawing. A new parts. Click here, standard IPT. Okay, for this new part, I just want to sketch a new drawing from this view, XY plane. Right click, new sketch. Right, so over here, I just want to create a 50 mm size length, 50. Right, so you can also do something like this. Okay, for example, I already deleted it. So click from here. So this will be the width. For example, I make it W_mm is equal to 50 mm. Also can directly put your name of your dimension. The second thing is about their height. H_mm is equal to 50 mm. Okay. So in order to make it the object have their own thickness, so then I just use offset from here. Offset, okay, thickness underscore mm is equal to, is equal to 2 mm. Okay, after you're done with all this, you can cut and cut. So now you just can simply click and specify their total length. So this, I want to make it L_mm is equal to 250 mm. Enter. So what will happen if you click L_mm and so on? So if you go to parameter, by default, this model parameter will change. Okay, by default, Inventor will help you to automatically generate D0 until D unlimited. For example, you have 10, you have 100 of parameter, then your parameter starting from D0 until D100. Okay, but if you key in the name for your parameter, then directly it will help you to go to here. Okay, but for this case, I want to change. I want to make it the parameter can be changed for this one. Okay, keep changing for this L. Okay, so but for now, I just need to click on this add new parameter, LEN. Right. So just right click to make it make multi-value, delete, starting from 100, 100 to 50, 500, 3 value only. Okay, 100, 25 and 500. Okay, so I choose 25 because currently is active this one. So now I can copy and paste to here. Right, this will be the parametric modeling. So then I start to change 1, 2 and 3. Okay, for the first step. Right, so for the second step is about the circular, okay, the cut section. So now I plan to do this cut section for a slot shape, from center, this one. Okay, this will be the length. Right, so for the length, I can change, for example, 115. Okay, and the radius will be, the diameter will be 35. Okay, and this line I just make it as a construction and cut. Okay, so click on this cut here, cut through all, 1 and 2. Okay, also on this area, new sketch, slot. Okay, so 115, enter, 35. Okay, again here, construction and cut through all. Make sure through all, yeah. Okay, done. Okay, extrude here through all. Right. So in order to make it this, our product is good enough, because okay, for this case, when I try to change this value, this length parameter, user parameter, from 250, it will become something like this. And from this one, from 100, then you already see the missing part. Okay, but the size already changed here. Okay, how to control your specific parts starting from this value? So for this case, I just make it This one is equal to length divided by 2. Okay, so length is divided by 2 divided by 4. Okay, divided by 4. So for this case, I just change copy here and also paste here, divided by 4. So when now I change from 250, the length also will be updated, and here 100 also will be updated. But the issue is, if I plan to create hole, then this area will you cannot see your hole properly later. So in this case, I try to make it when their length is less than 100, and the cut section will be disappear or suppressed. So how to make it? You just need to go to iLogic. Okay, starting from sequence rules here. Rules first. Okay, right click, add rules. So this will be cut. So I just name it as a cut. So my idea is to generate this type of parameter. I just use if, then, and if. Right. So if, okay, I click on this, my expression. If my length is less or equal than 100, then, okay, then this one, the suppress for this, just right click, capture, and also this one, right click, capture. So this you can delete it because you don't need it, and also you can delete it here. So for here, if the length is less than 100, then the value, the extrusion will be false. False. Right? So 1 and extrusion 2 and extrusion 3. So these two. Okay. Also, you can make it here. Copy, enter, else if my length is greater than 101, then this one will become true. True and true. Okay, and save and run. So what will happen now when you go to this fx, change the value from 500, should be no issue. Change the value to 100 and the cut section will be disappear. Okay, I try to change into a certain value. For example, this one I just change, right click, edit, allow custom value. Okay, and this cut section I change into a certain value, 225 and 226. Okay, 226. Right. So this one I just want to create custom value. I just want to use 227 mm. Then you will see the cut section over here. But if I plan to change from 227 to 224, then disappear already. So that will be the idea on how to create, how to hide your parts inside this one. Okay, so for another action or another idea that we plan to do is about these things. Okay, how to change from square and round. Okay, if I check into this model area, okay, basically I have one plate, two plate for round, and also two plate for rectangle. Okay, so now I just try to delete my base here. I just delete the formula and go to the master view. Okay, later you see that basically I already put both base inside my drawing here. Okay, to make it as a logic, to create a rules for it, I just create add rules, base, enter. Okay, for this case, I already have one user parameter for base round. Again, if then also, if then base type is equal to round, okay, then, okay, same like previous concept, but this time I need to choose our parts. Okay, so component is active. So the most easiest way, you just go to here, right click, capture is active, tab is active, again tab, another one, tab again is active. So if the base component is round, then your round plate will true, but your square plate will be false. False. Okay, same goes to if you have another one, else if here, this one you need to go up, else if go the base type become square, SQE. So this area you need to vice versa. This one you go into false. Okay, you can also double click here. True, double click. True, double click. Right, so just I try copy first and save and run. Okay, but the problem is this one, they are mentioned you not using the proper item. So what is the issue basically? So you need to go to this model, cannot use this master level of detail. You need to create your new level of detail. So this one is hidden. Okay, so maybe I rename is change base. Change base. So make it active. So go back to your iLogic, this base, edit. Okay, and over here you can paste again and save and run. So now you can already see the things can be changed already. So again over here, round and square. Square to round again. So same goes to this the LMM. So I combine here 1 and 2. 250 updated here. 1 to 5. If I change to 250, have the cut section, and the bottom, the base can be changed into from square to round. Okay, so that will be the idea on how to create it. Okay, if you plan to create the message pop-up, okay, I go back to the previous sample. Okay, sorry, this will be my previous part here. Okay, so if I change from 2 to 4, 100, 250, and 500. Okay, I want to put the message pop-up, so I just need to click here, edit. Right, so over here, when you done with this type of changes, less and equal than 2 to 5, so you just need to click on this side here, snippet. Okay, go to this message box. Okay, show. Okay, this will be your message box. Okay, so this one I just want to mention it. Your length is less than 2 to 5. Okay. Okay, so I just put warning. Warning. Okay. So after done with it, just click OK. Oh, sorry. So this one I just copy and delete again, because I already delete some of the features here, or the bracket. Okay, paste this one. I just put it. The name is warning. Okay, warning. Okay, save and run. So what will happen when I click on this FX? Okay, from 500, okay, create custom value to 750 should be no problem. But if I make it, the value is less than 2 to 5, means I make it 170, for example, then one pop-up will appear. your length is less than sorry, this one I need to change into my rows. Okay, edit again, this one 2 to 5 and save. Okay, that will be the idea on how to create it. Okay, you can change and create your own pop-up later. Okay, the model is still updated, but the error pop-up will come out to make the designer or the engineer alert about the shape that the size that they are using is less than certain value. Right, so this will be our objective for free online lesson. If you have question, you can go to chat section and ask any question before I go to our website again and show something that really interesting. Right, so while waiting for your question and I will answer it. Okay, I will go to our website again. So this will be Acadsystems website. So okay, the latest news, okay, we have post here for Autodesk license compliance. Okay, if you have any issue regarding your license after this, okay, what you can do, you can contact us. Okay, give your serial number, and then our team, our technical engineer will help you to give a better idea on what you should install, what you should uninstall. Okay, for those that already expired, you need to install the latest version at that time you stop your subscription, your renewal. Okay, so for this one, we can explain more in detail after this. Okay, for those that are really interested also to join our next free online lesson, okay, don't forget to go to our main page. Okay, make sure that you register first on our free online lesson. Okay, so that will be our free online lesson for this week, and hopefully if everything's good, we will keep continue the free online lesson, and also for next year we can also give the you can come to office to learn also, into come to our KL and also Penang office to learn for free also. So this will be our free service or after sales service to our customer, all our customer. Okay, so thanks everyone for joining our free online lesson for today, and hopefully you are learning. And for those that join for from Facebook, okay, don't forget to like, and don't forget to like the video that you're watching now, and also don't forget to share to make sure that your friend also can learn these topics and improve their skill of modeling. Right, so hopefully this today just I think that will be everything. That will be for today presentation. That's it. Okay, so I will stop sharing my screen, and see you soon for next session also. All right, thank you everyone, and bye bye.